Caring for your skin is essential for a good appearance. And it's even more so when we talk about our facial skin. To keep your skin in its best shape, it is necessary to invest in a daily care routine, and also cut habits that can harm you. Without forgetting that, for many people, taking care of the skin is not only an aesthetic thing, but also a health. Did you know that your skin is responsible for regulating body temperature and even storing nutrients? To play its role, it must be well cared for. Do you want to learn how to take care of your facial skin in a natural way? Use aloe vera as an ally. Did you know that aloe can reduce wrinkles and actively fight acne? Yes, and on top of all that, the herb is also very effective in treating oily skin. Aloe vera has hydrating and healing actions. Its hydrating energy also helps with wrinkles and expression lines, keeping your skin looking well hydrated. And because it is anti-inflammatory, soothing and curative, aloe also helps heal wounds, acne scars and remove stains. Now learn how to make an aloe-based face soap. You can use this soap on damp skin in the morning and at night, before you start your skincare routine. Warning: because of its photosensitive effects, it is not recommended to use this soap before exposure to the sun. In addition, aloe vera is not recommended for people with latex allergies. Use this soap to make your skin bright and smooth.